Hello people, and welcome back to our channel. Motivision, I and Inspiration Samir Nagur. YouTube, the world's largest video sharing platform, has been busy rolling out exciting updates to improve your video watching journey. Let's dive into the latest features that will enhance your experience. 1. Press and hold for 2x speed. What's new? Now, you can watch videos at double speed more conveniently. Simply press and hold anywhere on the video player to automatically switch to 2x playback speed. Release when you reach the desired part of the video. 2. The U tab, merging library and account. What's changed? YouTube has streamlined your content discovery. The library tab and account settings have merged into a new U tab. Here, you'll find your previously watched videos, playlists, downloads, purchases, and account-related settings, all in one place. 3. Search by voice or song. What's cool? Got a catchy tune stuck in your head? Hum it, sing it or play it, and YouTube's AI will match it to the original recording. This feature is rolling out on Android devices. 4. Bigger preview thumbnails while seeking. Why it matters? When seeking through videos, YouTube now displays larger preview thumbnails. Easily find those memorable moments. 5. Lock screen to prevent interruptions. How? Accidental taps ruining your video experience. Lock your screen while watching on mobile or tablets to avoid unwanted interruptions. 6. New design aesthetics and welcome animation. Fresh look. YouTube's welcome animation has received a facelift. The overall design has been refined for a more modern and immersive experience. 7. Ambient mode for light theme and full screen. Soothing experience. Ambient mode, previously available in a dark theme, is now coming to the light theme and full screen mode. Enjoy a more relaxing viewing experience. 8. Grouped player settings. Organized settings. Player settings are now grouped together for easier access and management. 9. Formatted social media links in video descriptions. Connect beyond YouTube. Creators can add scrollable sections with formatted social media links in their video descriptions. Engage with your audience beyond YouTube. 10. Press and hold to copy links from video descriptions. Quick copy. Need a link from a video description? Press and hold on the link to copy it instantly. 11. Improved text formatting for creators. Express creatively. Creators now have enhanced features for text formatting, making their video descriptions and comments more engaging. 12. Animated like and subscribe buttons. Encouraging interaction. When mentioned in a video, the like and subscribe buttons now animate, encouraging viewers to take action. 13. New top comment animations and refreshers. Top comments shine. Top comments get a visual boost with new animations and regular refreshers. 14. Dynamic updates to likes and views in the first 24 hours. Stay informed. During the critical first 24 hours of a video's release, likes and views will dynamically update to keep viewers informed. 15. Stable volume automatically turned on. Consistent audio. YouTube aims for a consistent audio experience by automatically enabling stable volume on mobile devices. 16. Vertical menu for smart TVs. Smart TV users rejoice. Smart TV users will notice a new vertical menu layout for easier navigation. These updates are designed to make your YouTube journey smoother, more engaging, and downright enjoyable. Keep an eye out for these features as you explore the vast world of YouTube. Disclaimer: the information provided is based on the latest available data as of November 2023. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this article helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.